you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm dead.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. So this is like me documenting things I did before I moved into the apartment.
I think I've missed my boss. I wouldn't even lie about that. I don't even know what to do. That's one thing I noticed about this place, guys. Like, if you miss your boss, just forget about it. There's nothing you can do. You have to just wait for the next one, which might even take you like hours or like minutes, and probably 30-45 minutes. I really cannot even tell, which is just freaking annoying. I don't even know why this hair is just entering my face, like it's just everywhere. I'm literally cold, but I decided to show you guys my pretty face today. Guys, how do I look? Let me know in the comment section. Does this hair really suit me? Personally, guys, I just used to feel that this hair and this bust just
Thank God guys, I wasn't able to miss it because I had to just take a cab because I needed to sort out my housing issue. Yeah, after the whole day waka and the trouble with the whole boss thing, I just had to just come here and relax, and I'm so grateful that I had to do this for myself. And yeah, in the process, I didn't even enjoy the food. Like, I don't even understand. I just had to just leave the whole food for them because what the heck. And I decided to just get chicken and leave. And as an Igbo girl that I am, I was just calculating the money that I wasted. Like, why did I have to do that? But anyway, there's no harm in trying new things. Yeah guys, after getting the news that I've finally gotten the space, I was so happy guys, and I decided to give myself a treat, and that was me just dancing right there. I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, what did she want to do? Anyway guys, I just wanted to just do my nails. Like guys, since I moved into this country, I haven't had my nail fixed or even done for a long time. So I was so excited to just do this little thing for myself because things like this count. After a long day at the salon, I decided to just check out this popular store which they call the Tim Hortons, and I was so excited I did guys, because really I've never really been inside there. So when I got in there, I decided to try out the coffee and their snacks. I don't know if I'm actually saying the right thing, and guys, trust me when I say the coffee was like 100/100. In as much as I know I don't like coffee, one thing about this region, the code has taught me lesson to start taking coffee, and that was me having another cup of coffee. Like, can you believe that? Yeah, later that night I just had to do a lot of laundry because guys, I am not moving a dirty thing into my new apartment, like hell no. But in as much I lied guys.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. So guys, today, in fact, before I say today, see, if you're new here, my name is Ifeoma. If you're an OG, thank you so much for sticking and also commenting to this channel. So guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, or what do they call it, smash the subscribe button, and join this beautiful family of ours. I'm going to be showing you guys an apartment tour, which is like an empty apartment tour, because guys, I've been looking for a house. I've been searching the whole of this province, or what do they call it, province, yes, Victoria, for an accommodation, which I think accommodation can be a problem in this country. I won't even lie about that, guys. So yeah guys, see, don't come for me. This is just a small apartment. Shall manage it, right? Whatever you see, just manage it like that. So let's do this together. So come through. And what is today? I can't even remember what today date is, but whatever guys. And yeah, let me also know in the comment section if you want to see any kind of video from me. But though I know I have some video requests which I'm definitely going to be answering or doing very soon, guys. Enough of the fucking guys. Come through. Guys, like the view, everything is just. Let me just quickly show you. Yo, guys, this is like the highlight of this place for me. And if you look very closely, guys, there's like a sea not so far from here, which makes the building so, in fact, everything's so beautiful. But to my greatest surprise, I never knew like family houses with. We Nigerians, guys, we build with stones, rebuilt with cement and sand. Yes, we make block out of the cement and sand and build our houses. But here they make good houses with wood, which is kind of very amazing. So yeah, this is what we do. So guys, don't mind me, I've already mounted the TV already. It has a balcony, which makes life so easy. Yeah guys, like see the view. Yeah. My pantry where I can put my stuff and all of that. I don't think I want to be showing you guys because I've put a lot of things there already. But this is like where I have the washing machine, guys, for all the semester because I'm still trying to sort myself out. So yeah, this is like the dryer and this is like the washing machine. Though I already have some clothes already inside. I'm trying to wash them. This just makes life beautiful and easy, guys. Let me show you other things. Don't mind me. At this moment right now, I just want to show you guys what the bathroom looks like because I think I've not shown you guys the washroom. I think they call it washroom and not bathroom or whatever. Hey, English, Adiro easy. So let me show you guys what it looks like. I think this hair really suits me. Gosh, baby, Imarama. Hey, guys, this girl is hottie. Is hotting on this color of hair. You know, when it comes to colors of hairs or when it comes to wearing colors, I used to be one person that gets scared. Like, is it going to suit me? Is it going to be nice? But man, I am feeling this color. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. So let's show you the bathroom. I've already opened the door safe already. Chai, baby. And it is a very cute bathroom and nothing precisely, guys. Like the way it is small. Just feeling the whole thing because I know I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of videos from this angle. I hope so because that's how I talk and at the end I don't do it. Yes. Oh my god. I just like I love the fact that there's like a light situation happening here and all of that. It's just so beautiful. And yeah. I think you guys already saw this. This is my personal belief. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this. I have more here. Yeah, this is what we have right here. Don't mind me, I'm very short, guys. I have a lot of space to play with in this particular house, which the other house where I was didn't give me. And then I also have the thing here. No, we don't. I like this, guys. Like so many storage to play with in this particular building. This is the fridge, and yeah, this is the fridge. I already put some. I also have other compartments here too. Oh, I really don't know how to use a dishwasher, but in as much I will just I'm just grateful to have it, right? I've never used it for once. I've never used a dishwasher before. This is just so beautiful. I'm just so grateful. At least it's going to make my life easy, right? Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is what I have. This is my boss right there. I'm still trying to sort myself out. I'm just so grateful, God. So this is like another, like a pantry. Guys, that's like my scale for checking my size because I'm not ready to cut the weight.